have no idea how long it's been since I filmed a video or took pictures of my one little word. So maybe we'll go back to July and walk you through what I've done. So July was like technique driven, and I think it was paint. I didn't feel like doing paint, so I did embossing. So this is embossed because it was a technique that I wanted to work on. So there's my picture for the month. I tried to like stamp and emboss. It came out pretty good, I think. It was a little bit of the heart. And then this, I think, was from last year. So that was July. August was about owning your story. So I wrote 4 prompts. The story I'm telling myself is, I'm tired, I'm mentally and physically tired. The story I'm telling myself is, it's been so nice to have the girls home for so long. The story I'm telling myself is, I'm not selfish for taking time for myself in the middle of the day. And the story I'm telling myself is, I'm struggling to get the whole business concept underneath me. So that was August. In September, I actually just finished tonight. So there's my September picture. I just realized that it's another foot picture. And this time, instead of like the survey marker, it's the X on the floor, so you stay 6 feet away from somebody. And this was the month we did a spinner, and I didn't actually make mine spin, but I just had it static. And then this was also, I think this was the 13th. It's like the first day of wearing pants. So a little summary. And then I just stuck this to some acetate, and then I just finished October, and I have to say, all the feels for Instagram filters, because they make you look super great. Actually did 2 pictures, used up a bunch of the hearts, and so this was like listening. So I basically have been listening to instrumentals on Spotify while I work, and NPR, and Taylor Swift. So yeah, that was that. I wasn't going to do October, but then I thought, oh, let me give it a whack. And I'm pretty pleased with how it came out. So thumbs up.